burning in the people's heart. From the roots we rise, never fall apart. Babylon system try tear we down, but we stand firm like a warrior crown. Truth in the breeze when the morning call. Hear the voices rise from the ghetto wall. Chains been broken but the fight goes on. Through the nights we chant till the break of dawn. Children crying for a better day. Leaders talking but they lose the way. Still we marching with a righteous sound, planting seeds in the rebel ground. From trench town streets to the worldwide stage, words of freedom echo through the age. Music healing every wounded soul. Reggae rhythm make the broken whole. Fire still burning, never fade away. Light up the darkness, bring a brighter day. Stand up strong, no matter what they say. We keep the fire burning. Try divide and rule, feed the hatred, keep the people fooled. But wisdom rise like the morning sun. Truth reveal, now the war is won. Ganja breeze bring a calm and vibe. Meditation keep the soul alive. From the hills to the city streets, heartbeat strong with the rebel beat. Soldiers fighting with no guns in hand, only love and truth to heal the land. Chant down evil, lift the weak and poor. Open hearts, let the blessings pour. Legacy written in every song. Voices rising, we've been strong so long. From the elders to the youth today, carry on what they paved the way. No chains can hold we now, no fear can break we vow. Jah light we path, somehow we rise right now. See the fire blazing in the youth demise. No more living under wicked disguise. Stand together, unity we bring. Freedom chant, make the whole world sing. Final call, let the trumpet sound. Justice rise, let it shake the ground. From the roots to the highest peak, truth and rights is what we seek. Fire still burning, never fade away. Light up the darkness, bring a brighter day. Stand up strong, no matter what they say. We keep the fire burning. Jah lead the way. Fire still burning, never fade away. Light up the darkness, bring a brighter day.